What's going on, guys? Back again with another POV. But it is gonna rain. Look at the sky. Like, this is a storm that's coming. This ain't no regular kind of rain. But yeah, every time my car is clean, it rains. So that's why a lot of the times in my videos, like, you guys say, yo, wash the car. But I do wash the car. I wash this car a lot, probably like twice a week. But it just always rains. It looks super sick. I'll give you guys a little walk around. Damn. Man, I'm in love with this car from every angle. Now the rain is actually coming, I can feel it. Damn, I'm just here trying to get a thumbnail. Now the rain is fully coming down. I gotta get this thumbnail though. Nah, I gotta get the thumbnail. Jeez, damn, this actually came down mad fast. Alright, so I did change my settings on MHD and I'm pretty sure this is the perfect settings. I tweaked around with it a little bit. I went a little bit longer on the pops, then a little bit shorter. And I think I found the sweet spot right in the middle. So you guys will hear it. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to do with the rain. Hopefully it calms down a little bit. But yeah, the car, it sounds perfect to me. Let me know what you guys think though. Like, if you guys don't like it and you guys want back the long pops that goes on forever, I can always turn it back on. But I just think this is a little bit better. It's not too much. It's not too little either. It's just the perfect amount. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna see if the rain will stop a little bit first, warm my car up, and then I'll give you guys a POV. All right guys, it is still raining, but I'm gonna give you guys a little POV regardless. I think if I pop the sunroof, I should be good. I'll roll the windows down just a little bit because I don't want to get the car too wet, but I also want you guys to be able to hear the exhaust. It's gonna get a little bit wet, but I'm gonna make a POV. Haven't uploaded in like 2 days, so I am kind of slacking off. But yeah, the pops though, I'll let you guys hear it. I probably just can't step on it too hard because my car is rear wheel drive. I'm not trying to slip out and go crash today. But see, like there, no pops. So the thing I like about it, I can hear the intake when I want to hear the intake, and I can make it pop when I want to make it pop. So like, no pops there. So my pops, it's around 2,500 RPM. That's the minimum, and the maximum is 3,500. So it only pops like in between that. I'll let you guys hear it though. You guys will see for yourself. I'm still getting used to it. Like, I can make it pop when I want, but I'm still getting used to it. So I'm gonna be able to see, like there, no pops, and then see. I don't know. I think it's so much better. Like there, I make it pop. I don't know what that guy's doing, but yeah. I'm still getting used to it, slowly but surely. But I feel like it's so much better because I have more control over the car and it's not just popping all the time. Like there, it will pop. And now I think if I wait a little bit, then downshift. Right there. And see, like there now, I floored it, left off the gas. You guys hear the overrun drop, and then it didn't pop. You guys just hear the intake. I feel like it's so much better because you guys hear more than just pops, pops, pops. I don't know though, but let me know what you guys think, because if you guys don't like it, I'll easily just put it back to pops every time. But let me know what you guys think. I just want to make sure I'm doing the right thing and I'm not like changing the settings and no one likes it. So just let me know in the comments. Feel free to tell me your honest opinion. I will change it back if you guys don't like it. But now I think if I downshift again, there it is. And see, it's much shorter. It's like bam, 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 and then it's done. Usually it just goes on forever. I liked it, but I think this is better. Downshift. See, so it's not super short. It's not like 1 or 2 pops. It's still like a couple of them, and then it stops. Damn. Ah, come on, bro. I thought he was turning. Okay, I'll let you guys hear the intake. See, you can hear the overrun drop and the intake right after. I just feel like it's good. I don't know. I'm still getting used to it, like I said though. I'm still adjusting. If you guys want me to turn it up a little bit or turn it down a little bit, whatever adjustments you guys want to see, feel free to let me know. See, like that's a good like example. See, it's a good amount, but it's not too much. And sometimes it's a little bit shorter like that. But I like it though. I like it. And it's still super loud. I have a question for you guys though. Let me do a little pull first before I talk. But yeah, what car would you guys prefer to see on the channel? Would you guys like to see an MK5 Supra, or would you guys prefer to see an M340i? But the only thing is, the M340i, like the 2020 to 2022 models, I like them, but I don't like them as much as the 2023 and 2024. But they're way cheaper. They're the same price, around like 50k, 50 to 60,000 Canadian. Oh, I'll go down this street actually. But yeah, it's around 50 to 60k Canadian, and it's the same price as the MK5 Supra. But I don't like them as much as the 2023, 2024. I prefer those M340i's way more. But those are like 75k. Like, I think, I don't know, like, I think they're worth the money, but it is still too much for a 3 Series. Because yeah, it's an M340i, but it's still a 3 Series. Or do I just get like a MK5 Supra for way cheaper? Or do I get the M340i, like the 2020, the non-facelifted models, or the non-LCIs? I don't know. Just let me know in the comments which one you guys prefer, because I'm not selling this car yet or anything like that. But I just want to know, like, my next car, I just want to know what my next car should be and what you guys would prefer, because it's also what's better for content, and also I want something that I'm going to enjoy. But the M340i's, I think they're more... Damn. But yeah, I think they're definitely like better like daily cars. Like you have back seats and all of that. But the Supras, you don't got no back seats or nothing like that. Here's the intake. Man, that thing sounds crazy. I'm gonna do a little lap around here, make it pop some more so you guys can actually hear the pops and tell me what you think. Yeah, see, sometimes it's really short, like sometimes it's like 3 pops, and then sometimes it's like way more. I feel like it's a good mixture. It depends on the speed you're going too, because if I'm going slow like this, like look, I'll make it pop like twice. That's a little bit more than 2 pops, but still not super long. But now if I go like at a higher speed like this, I didn't pop there, but when I'm going at a higher speed like that, I can make it pop a little bit more. Like, not even there, probably by downshift. I'm still getting used to it. See, like there, now that's a little bit more. That's like the maximum length though, or sometimes just a little bit longer than that. It might go a little bit longer sometimes, but usually it's around that. So it depends on the speed. Like you're going faster, it will pop longer, like that one just now. Or if you're going super slow, it's more like 2 pops. It really depends. I'm still getting used to it though, so it's not the best like video to demonstrate it to you guys, but you guys should get a rough idea of how much different it is from what it was before. So yeah, let me know what you guys prefer. I'll probably throw in a clip so you guys can hear the before if you've never watched my videos before. Damn, that one's good. That was a long one, to be honest. But see, I still like that. I like the fact that it's sometimes long, sometimes short. So you get the best of both worlds, I feel like. Because it really doesn't need to be any longer than that. Downshift. Nah, none there because RPMs was too high. Man, that intake. And the over on drop, like it just, bro. That's crazy. You're probably breaking my car. I like it though. I like it. I don't know. I like it. It's different because I had the Pops on max for like, I don't remember how long ago I got the tune, but ever since I got the tune, the Pop has been on max duration, max everything. Like, that's just perfect, bro. But honestly though, let me know what you guys think, because if you guys don't like it, RPM's too high. I'm doing some risky shit with my rear-wheel drive car. But let me know what you guys think in the comments though, for real, because if you guys don't like it, like I said, I can always go back to more Pops, or if you guys like it, I can keep it as this. If you guys want me to turn it down a little bit, I can do that. Whatever you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments. I reply to all of my comments, so yeah, let me know guys, let me know, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch y'all again in the next one.